Hey, what's up, guys? So Auxito, they sent me out these LEDs to try out. I already installed the daytime running lights for the high beam. I'm gonna install my fog light next. These are the H11, H8, and H16 model, both sides. Focus it right there. So I'm gonna open these up and then take a look at it, and I'm gonna install it. Alright, so I just took it out of the box. The LEDs look super nice and well built. Check it out. So that's the heat shrink and the fan. Super high quality. So throw these on. I'm gonna take a look at it and see how it looks. So I already threw these on, so I'm throwing these on next, and I'm gonna do both of them together when it's nighttime. So I'm gonna start these on. Alright, so I'm gonna install the LEDs in. It's pretty easy to do it on the fog light. Just gotta reach under and take out the cover. Just reach under, take out the cover, and pull out the bolt. It's pretty easy. So just go under there. Turn up the brightness for you. Alright, take it out. Just gotta take out the cover. Get the bolt, put in the new one. Alright, so I got the LEDs in. I'm just gonna turn it on, see how it looks. Don't worry about that, I'm gonna fix that. So yeah, these are the Auxito LEDs. Just installed the fog lights. They're super yellow. It's kind of hard to see on the camera because it's not picking up, but it's yellow. I did install the daytime run light and high beams. I wish they had the LEDs for the low beam, but this car is built in LEDs, so I can't swap it out. Might pick up some turn signals by Auxitos. I'm still running stock turn signals, so I'm waiting for it to get dark. Once it get dark, I'm gonna show you guys the brightness on the LEDs. Alright, so I just finished installing the LEDs for the fog lights. I'm about to turn it on since it's finally dark. So I'm gonna show you this is pretty much the daytime running light or the high beam. I just pretty much installed it, so this is how it's gonna look. That's like pure brightness on the LED, recommend. But yeah, this is the daytime running light. About to turn down my low beam. Too bad my low beam is stock, but fog lights about to turn on. It's gonna light up the ground. That's pretty much the fog lights. I'm gonna step outside. Pretty much how bright it is for the yellow. Super bright. I recommend checking out Auxitos. So yeah, I recommend checking out the LEDs up by Auxitos. Use my coupon code CAMBO12 off. I'll post it up with the caption. But yeah, you guys very interested, just go ahead and check them out. Links is gonna be in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the update on the STI build.